70% of Gaza war dead are women and children. Yes, according to the information of the UN. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Friday, November the 8th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, and the killer Sudoku. We have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles in additional. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve not now. Now I will solve these 3 puzzles, the other 4 in the evening. Alright, told you the news of today. Well, 70% of the dead, 70% of Gaza war, the deaths are women and children. Well, what a war. Still going on. Alright, the first one will be number 9554. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually a 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26, 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated by the publisher with 3 stars. For a 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is it a 3 stars or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about the number 7. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next on that column. The only 2 places left for 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this one, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers are 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in that box. So 1 box left with 5 in this big square. Should be there. 5. Then 3, 6. I need a 9. Okay. 3, 9. Need a 9 here. A 9 there. 9 should be here. Okay. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 in those 2 boxes. So the 9 in this big square could be here, could be there. 9 in one of those 2. Oh, wait. 3 missing numbers now in this column. 1 of the missing number in this column is number 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this column should be there. Then 6 and 8. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row. So third row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 7. Then, let's see. Need a 5 here. 3. Need a 2. Come on. 8. Need a 1 here. Need a 5 there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between middle column and only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. Well, in this column, middle column, we need a 6. We have a 6 in this one, no 6 there. We have a 6 in one of these 3 boxes. Wait, we have a 6 in this big square, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 in the middle column could be here, could be there. Alright, 3, need a 2, and I need a 1. 2, 3. Let me think. Need a 5 here. In this big square, we need a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in the row below, no 5 in those 2 boxes. And we have a 5 in this column, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square. Shoot it down. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, 5. 5, 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Shoot it there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6. Shoot it there. 6 in this column, 6 in the column next to the last column. Only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 6, 6. Alright. Then 4, 4. Need a 4 here. 1, 1. 2, 2. In this big square, we need an 8. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 in this big square could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this column, first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for 8 should be there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 now in the last row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. Oh! Double 8. Well. I need to delete this. Not good, not good. Not good at all. Is this 8 correct? I think so. 8, 8. 8, 8. 8. 8, 8, 8, yeah. 8, 8. We have 8 here. Need an 8 here. This 8 should be correct. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left 8 should be correct. 8, 8 here, and need an 8. 8 could be here, could be there. Okay. Now, which number can I pick? 2 in the 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and 7, 2 and 7. We have a 7 in this big square, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 1 in the third column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1, 1. 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 8, so the 8 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with 8. We have 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 8. Alright. 179. One box left now in this last row for number 1, 2, 3 is missing here. There are 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3, 9, 3, 9. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes and there. 4 and a 9, we have a 9 now in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left. 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 1 box left now in this last column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and the 7, 3 and the 7. Alright. And then let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the 7. 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the middle column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes with a 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so it'll come next. The only place left for 1 should be there. We have a pair, the 2 and the 3 in this column, the 2 and the 3 in the middle column. So to come next, the only 2 places left with the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the first row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 7 and the 3, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 7 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the second row for number. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, and 7 is missing. 3 and 7. 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 7 in this first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column. Only place level 7 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, and 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, and the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 9 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the first row for numbers the 1 is missing, and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, 1 and the 5. We have 1 in the second column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there, and the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 6 in the first column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars, no. 2 stars, no. 1 star, no. Should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 13 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.